namin yon. And thank you so much for coming. Love you guys.
Anthony, we'll start with you. Can you think of one word that would describe the bond that you have sa Incognito team? One word that would describe the bond that you guys have a cast.
Kulot.
Kulot. Parang buhok ni Anthony. Kulot din.
Para si Anthony, kulot.
Oo, parang... Chris, go ahead. One word to describe your bond with the Incognito team. Tight. Yes.
Okay.
Anong gusto mo i-achieve, Anthony?
Kahit
this
isa lang,
2025?
gusto ko maayos na kalagayan lang. Healthy lang.
Yes.
Healthy.
Healthy. Okay, Maurice?
To be stronger.
Be stronger.
Then
Oh my gosh, medyo curious na ako. Did you take language
Well,
classes?
there's one na nag-aral ako on the spot. I had to talk to a bunch of very nice Italians. So tinuruan nila ako magsalita ng Italian. So buong eksena ko sa Italy nag-i-Italian lang.
May basic Italian ba dyan na naalala mo?
What?
What? Sorry?
What? Next time na.
Next time na.
Kasi nakalimutan ko na eh.
Sa
Siyempre, Anthony, you talked about yung mga learnings na natutunan mo dito sa show. Could you also talk to us about, on a scale of 1 to 10, ito, galing kay Julia Nicole, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yung growth mo as an actor dito sa Incognito? And why? O, di ba may and why?
Mga 8. Mga 8 out of 10. Mga 8.
Mga 8?
Mga 8.
Okay,
Bakit 8?
bakit?
Kasi syempre, big show siya eh. So, ang dami namin ginawa. Maraming stunts, ang daming... First time ko makapasok sa ganito kalaking show talaga. So, yun lang, 8 out of 10 talaga. Marami pa ako matututunan in the future. Of course.
Yes, I love it.
Thank you, Anthony.